Finishing the rake on the back side of the shed shouldn't take too long, so we're just gonna go ahead and knock it out real quick. You guys might be able to hear the thunder that we have going on in the background. We had another summer storm roll through, but this year has not been nearly as bad as last year.
No, last year it probably rained 3 or 4 days out of the week.
Yeah, it was tough to get stuff done out here, so I'm glad that we don't have the weather going on like that this year. What we need to do today is get the drywall that we have stored inside of the A-frame carried over to the shed so that we can start getting that up.
Yeah, and the reason why we're putting drywall inside the shed, there's no windows there, so we put the drywall up with a light fixture, we paint it white, it illuminates the entire room so we can see what we're doing, we're messing with the inverters or whatever have you, it just brightens the entire room up.
Yeah, it'll make it feel more finished and more enjoyable to work in, and we'll just be able to see things better. So
yes,
we're gonna go ahead, we've already got the drywall here, so we might as well, you know, put it up, and I guess we're gonna start with spray foaming.
Yeah, the first thing we do is spray foam the door, then do the drywall. My question is, we have no drywall lift, so are you gonna be able to get on a ladder with me, pick that bad boy up and hold it in place and screw it in? That's what I'm wondering.
I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to wait and see.
All right, I see myself having a hurt back tomorrow morning. Can you hang?
Oh, I can hang.
All right.
What do you guys think?
We'll see.
All right.
Rain, that's why. Okay, pull it back out.
All the way out?
Yeah.
Why?
That's not gonna work. You bounce it?
Yeah, why? Oh, I can't bounce that. There's no way. Don't. Hold on.
Okay, bring it down. Okay,
so the first try did not go all that well.
It was a fail. We're in it's a 10 by 10, maybe a little less, square box, trying to get up an 8-foot piece of sheetrock with a tripod. And you know how big Erin is, she's in here also, so she's in the way a little bit. So trying to get that thing up and through, and it didn't fit, so I had to cut it a few inches off.
As soon as we carried these sheets in here and we were setting up our ladders, I was immediately nervous about trying to get this up there. And then it turned out to be the wrong size, so we had to come back down and
cut a little bit. It's not heavy, so
I feel uncomfortable on the ladder at the angle because we're putting it on the angled roof, so I'm kind of feel like I'm leaning back. I don't know.
Once we get 2 or 3 of them up, you'll start feeling comfortable, and then we have 1 sheet left and we're done.
Okay.
So, fine.
All right.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah, joints a little bit of a gap there, and it looks like I'm an electrician. I don't install drywall. Just a shed. I see you laughing over at me. We'll leave it to shed, not a big deal. We'll stop some mud and sand while I'm at work, and we'll paint it.
Oh joy.
Excitement, I see it in your face. We're getting ready to close up this wall right now. We're gonna leave one portion open. It'll be this portion right here. We're gonna leave it open until I get an exhaust fan installed, and we'll come back behind and go ahead and close it up. Me and Aaron are already creating loose ends with what we're doing, but not getting an exhaust fan here in a timely fashion. Alright, go this way. Woo, yeah! That's fun. Take your little hands and ball them tight little fists and give all the strength you can and push up. So this wall right here is not going to get sheetrock, it's actually going to get fire-rated plywood. We're going to hang the battery charger, the inverter, also the batteries, and the load center is going to feed the house. Is all going to be hanging on this wall. We're going to put this plywood up once we start to install all of our components.
So I'm not a big fan of drywall, but it's done.
It's done. It looks okay. I'm half tempted to just mud it and paint it and not sand it.
Yeah.
Unless you want to sand it while I'm at work.
No, I want nothing to do.
That's a great idea, actually.
I would rather do insulation than drywall.
Not me.
Then it's gonna look even worse if it's just like
do a nice
clumpy mud.
No, do a nice thin coat and just paint it and say done, and then start installing all the electric.
So pretty much you're gonna have to like cover one eye and like cock your head to the side and like sneeze, and then it'll look okay, right?
Yeah, that's what I did on my wedding day.
I can't.
That's hilarious.
That was good. Can you tell we're a little bit loopy after the drywall, I guess?
Yeah, I'm tired. So that's it. It was probably a boring video, I imagine.
I think that there were lines going up the screen. It was a rough time. It took a lot of laughing to get through that one.
Yeah. All right, that's it. So we're gonna get this thing done, paint, and then we'll start the electric, and we're starting the plumbing, and hopefully we'll be energized and ready to go by Sunday night. Right?
Yeah, sounds good.
We're a week behind.
Well, I know. Yeah. All right, guys. That's it. Let's never do drywall again. Deal?
We got an entire house to do that.
No, that's just not gonna happen.
All right, guys. We'll see ya.
See ya. Thanks for watching. Can I go?
No.
Can I go now?
No.
Can I go now?
No.
Can I go?
Nope.
Can I go now?
No. I want you let go. You let go, okay?
Okay. So now can I go?
No. Your pipe's gonna take me out, man.
That was a swing and a miss.
I'm playing baseball, you're obviously playing cricket. Oh, wow.